when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have the smoked turkey drumstick. We also have the chicken fried rice in the package. Some shrimps already cleaned up, packed dry. So we're going to stuff this turkey drumstick with some shrimp chicken fried rice. We already have our oven preheated on 375. So we're going to put this bad boy in the oven. And this the little season that we're going to use is Kinder's Rub Buttery Steakhouse. Okay, so here we go right here. Go ahead and season it up. There we go right there. I'm about to wrap it up. Okay, so we have it double wrapped with aluminum foil. That's how we looking. Okay, so now I'm about to add some water. There we go right there. Okay, so here go an hour and 30 minutes. I did poke a hole in it, and when I poked that hole in it, the juices just start pouring out. Okay, it's not done yet. Not yet. We're gonna brown this up some. Yeah, we're gonna give it a nice little color. So we're gonna leave the aluminum foil open. We got a lot of juice down there from the butter and from this drumstick. It's going through there though. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it like another 20 minutes. Okay, so we have our water boiling. So that's 1.5 cup water. We'll add our little package in there. We'll mix it in. also gonna add our shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top on here and turn the heat down to medium. Turn it down like that there. That's how we looking right here. Take that butter, boom, coat it real good. That butter. Okay, we're gonna keep that butter in there, just like that. You'll wrap it again. Close it up. So go in the oven on 400 for 15 minutes. Then we'll put this good food on a nice plate. Here we go again, back in the kitchen, doing my thing. Look at that meat right there. Extra tender, juicy. When I say this is fire for real. Yup. Made it happen in a real way. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that bell, all notification. And come take your boy out. Come join me. I'm making it happen in this kitchen, for real. And that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.